Here is your Hypo weather bulletin for July the 5th, 2020. It's day 188 of the year so far, and there are currently 4 storms active globally. Day 35 in the Atlantic, Tropical Depression 5 still hasn't formed yet, and the 30% area in the Gulf of Mexico hasn't changed much since yesterday. Day 53 of the season in the Eastern Pacific, the 40% area that is marked hasn't changed much since yesterday either, and remains at 40%. In the Western Pacific, 06 and 05W has strengthened into Fengsheng and Yutu, and the 90% area south of Japan has formed into 07W. In the North Indian Ocean, there is still absolutely nothing. In the Southern Hemisphere, it's pretty quiet right now, which is usual for this time of year. A 30% area in the Arafura Sea has had its chance increased substantially to 90%. However, the 20% area east of Vanuatu has remained relatively unchanged. Update on Super Typhoon Higos. Sustained winds of 195 miles per hour, gusts of 200 miles per hour, pressure sub 900, 891 millibars, and accelerating west at 8 miles per hour. The storm is now expected to curve north towards Luzon and miss the Visayas Islands entirely. It's projected to remain a Category 5 up until landfall. Here are the name lists for the Northern Hemisphere. In the Atlantic, the next name is Derek. In the East Pacific, it's also Derek. In the Central Pacific, it's Hone. In the West Pacific, it's Lakima. And in the North Indian Ocean, it's Habu. Here are the name lists for the Southern Hemisphere. In the Australian region, the next name is Blair. In the South Pacific, it's Ace. And in the Southwest Indian Ocean, it is Barry. That's all for today. We'll be back with another Hypo Weather Bulletin tomorrow.